Alright guys, here's the next Destash. This one has sort of got a wedding theme going. I've got like wedding stamps here and love stamps and just sort of stuff. So let me just show you. The first one is the Stampabilities Wedding. I've never used it. It's already got the stuff on it, so you don't have to put it on there, but this is what it looks like. I really like this. It's pretty. Okay, and then we have again one of these Crafter Companions sealed with a kiss stamps, a wedding one. I've used it I think a couple of times in a layout. There's a wedding a book I did for my son, and I stamped it a few times. So there's that, and some of the sentiments are behind that, but I've already got them mounted and cut out. So alright, the next one is this Amore from Close to My Heart. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then I've got a couple of those matte stack things. Again, not matte stacks, but 4.5 by 6.5. This one is a baby girl nursery one. I know it's kind of wedding-ish, but you know, they'll have kids eventually. It may be a girl. I have used a few of them, a few pages in here, but here's the outside. And again, I'll try to show you some of the papers in here. It's kind of hard because these are really thick. Sorry about the lighting if it's not good. Those cute little bunnies on that one. Strawberries. I really like that page. Some green. More green. There's a little giraffe on there. Some words. Little one. Angel face. Some little swirlies. This has little chicks on it, but they're like purple, green, and pink colors. I like this page too. And some orange. And that one's got a deer, bunny, squirrel. Okay. And then another one, this is an adhesive stack. It's got adhesive on the back. And it's just sort of a springy type mat. I probably should have put this in that other one, but I had that other stack in there. But here's this one. Okay, I'll show you some of these. Now, like I said, it's got adhesive on the back, so the paper's going to feel really thick. And just remember that it's got adhesive. So sometimes I forgot and I just put glue on there. And I mean, it's not going to hurt if you use it that way. It just be inconvenient, or more convenient if you just peel off the sticker thing. There's some. This one looks like water. Could do a little poolside card or something. That one looks like the bottom of a swimming pool to me. Can you see that? Yeah. And just some little springy flowers and polka dots. Good background paper. That one's pretty. There's some words. More flowers. Stripes. Okay. And then again, like I said, I had a lot of these, so I thought I would put some in your little bag here. Okay, so this is going to be $20 shipped for this one. And again, I'm going to put it in this little, the small priority. That's the $6 and something one. So $20 shipped. Again, U.S. shipping only, friends and family PayPal only, and let me know down in the comments if you'd like it, and I'll get it out to you. Thanks again. Bye.